got a package from She's Birdie. It's a safety alarm, so when you're home, maybe when you're like walking out and about or something and like you need help, pull the removable top pin from the body. The alarm will emit a piercing 125 decibel sound. Place the top pin in the body. Oh, okay. That is very loud. Okay. Was not expecting it to be that loud. You literally just like pull this out if somebody's like coming at you, and when you put it back in is when it stops. I think it's a really great gift for women. It makes me feel more secure, and especially because I take the tea everywhere, and you know, stuff can happen anywhere you are. So this is really cool. It's convenient. Comes with a little keychain, and yeah, hopefully I never have to use it, but I feel really good that I do have it. Check them out on their website and choose whatever color you like. I really liked this one. There was like another blue one too, which was cute, but you know, can't have them all. We'll leave a link to go check out the Birdie. Go get yours today.